In India, 80% of medical students are women. Yet, life's challenges mean only 20% of these graduates ever enter active practice. That is more than a statistic, it's a silent loss to our nation's health. At Vishwa Ayurved Parishad, we believe in a different future. Our mission is to turn this loss into a movement. Introducing VACON 2026 with the theme Swasth Nari Sashakt Bharat. Hosting in the historic city of Visakhapatnam, we are proud to collaborate with the Department of Ayush AP, Andhra University in its centenary year, and the Dr. Durgabhai Deshmukh Center, Women's Studies, Andhra University. Join 2,000 delegates for 2 days of visionary sessions exploring cutting-edge solutions at our exhibition featuring over 100 plus top companies. It's not just a conference, it's the ultimate launchpad for clinical excellence and entrepreneurship. VAPCon 2026 proudly presents an inspiring lineup of sessions and expert speakers covering topics like work-life balance and women's health to entrepreneurship, digital innovation in Ayurveda, and global opportunities in herbal and cosmetic sciences. Work-life harmony with Professor Deepa Sethi from IIM Kozhikode, PCOS management with Professor Dr. D. Shilpa, ITRA Jamnagar, entrepreneurship and MSME opportunities for women with Dr. E. Vijaya, Director, National Institute for MSME Hyderabad, preventive and reversal care through Ayurveda, Professor Dr. Manjusha Rajagopal, HOD, Department of Shalakya Tantra, AIIA Delhi. AI in Ayurveda with Dr. Asilesha Idala, Founder, Digital Mahila Psychologist and International NLP Practitioner. Awareness of central government schemes supporting Ayurveda with Dr. Rajni A. Nair, Member, Board of Ethics and Registrations, NCISM New Delhi. Infertility and Ayurveda with Vaidya K.S. Jayashree, MD, Chief Consultant, Ayurshri Medicare Center, Bangalore. Ayurvedic Cosmetology with Dr. Amla Jyoti, Director, Dermis Love Cosmetics, Private Limited, Karnataka. Medicinal Plant Cultivation with Mrs. Gaura Verma, Promoter, Director, Herbalscape Crops, Private Limited, New Delhi. We are privileged to host these distinguished experts and leaders whose knowledge and insights will inspire, empower, and shape the future of Ayurveda and women's health. Experiencing the warmth of our hospitality with secured accommodation in the heart of Vizag, India's breathtaking tourist hub. Work, network, and rediscover the beauty of the city of destiny. Be a part of this historic moment on February 6th and 7th, 2026. Empowerment starts with one step. So register now via the link below and we'll see you at the AU Convention Center. For sponsorship details, please reach 8008998080 or 9490754943.